Hey everyone, welcome to Verdaverse Channel. I'm absolutely passionate about plants, and if you're here, it means you're either a fellow plant lover or looking to become one. So let's get growing together. One of the main things this channel will focus on is plant care tips. Trust me, I've learned a lot from my own experiences, whether your plant needs repotting, the right watering schedule, or even the ideal fertilizer. I've got the best practices that'll help your plants not just grow, but thrive. You'll find plenty of how-to videos here, from repotting to watering. Each video will be a hands-on guide based on what's worked for me. I'll take you through the entire process step by step, so you'll know exactly what to do and what to avoid. Ever heard of propagation? Well, it's a neat way to create new plants from the ones you already have. I'll show you how it's done and what factors are crucial for success. From taking the right cuttings to the waiting game for roots, we'll cover it all. The best part, you'll see real results over time. I'll show you the before and after, how plants go from this to this. You'll watch them thrive and bloom right before your eyes. But that's not all. I'll also be doing tours along gardens and nurseries to show how others grow their plants. Get ready to discover some gardening gems and get inspired. Plus, keep an eye out for short videos that showcase some beautiful plants, demonstrating their incredible growth and lush. Communication is super important to me, and I'd love to hear from you all. Whether it's feedback on the videos or sharing your personal plant stories, it's always great to hear how others are doing in their plant journey. So if you're as excited about plants as I am, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's turn your thumb green and your home into a plant paradise. I'm looking forward to sharing this journey with all of you. See you in the next video.